Welcome to Hajian Ranch in Kosh, Armenia. These are our kitchen cabinets. And the whole house is shaking because the North-South Freeway is under construction. It feels like an earthquake in here. There's so much vibration. Every time a caterpillar drives by, the cabinet doors are literally moving. It's like the house is trembling. We've had some damage already. Oh, here's our pressure cooker. Amazing. The whole microwave is vibrating with the pasta on top and the flour. The whole floor is shaking. I could feel my feet moving. Today is Friday, August the 15th, 2024. So, hopefully, they don't destroy the whole house. I'm making this video to show to the North-South Freeway people. Amazing.